Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brienna Rose if you're new. For the first video in the life transformation series, I am going to be making a vision board of what I want my dream life to look like. So come along. So to start, I'm brainstorming everything I want to be in my dream life. The people whose lives inspire me, things that I want, what I want my apartment to look like, basically everything I want to acquire. Now I am going on Pinterest and Instagram to find all the images that will remind me of what I want. So like the dog breeds I want, the dream car I want, like that little image with the balloons and stuff to represent like a brand new car. You know, like my dream apartment I want to be by the ocean, and like I want a spacious layout with a walk-in wardrobe. So I'm just trying to find like any images that remind me of what I want it to look like, and basically that remind me of what my dream life will be. Next, I'm going to, for my Instagram account and my YouTube, I'm making it so it looks like that I have, you know, over 1 million followers. And so how to do that is I screenshot my account and I screenshot someone who has that following, and then just go on Word and crop it and then, you know, organize it so it looks like that. And same with their verified tick, so it looks more realistic. But that's how you can like make it feel like it's actually already yours. It's a great trick to have. So yeah. And I do the same with YouTube, and I kind of just screen grab it so it's all one picture. Yeah, so I've printed out all my images, everything I want, and I'm just gonna cut it all up as you see here. So I place all my images down and just to see like how it works, how many I can fit, and kind of what order I want to have them in. I can change this around as much as you want until you feel like it gets it right. I end up putting it down so everything's kind of categorized. So I have like my business side, and then personal, my home, you know, general life, travel, relationships, that sort of thing. And just gluing them all down. So this is my final product. This is my vision board for the next year. I'm gonna wake up and see this every morning before I go to bed. Just look at it as much as possible to remind myself exactly what I want my life to look like. So as you can see, I've got like all the business things I want to achieve, like how I want my apartment to look, the kind of general life that I want to live. I've got pets I want to have there. Yeah, and my dream bank balance, $12 million in every account would be fab. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you probably later this week for another video on creating the life of your dreams. Bye my love.